Old Fast Marines videos are sponsored in part by Total Boat. If you would like to support the channel, please subscribe and follow the link to our Patreon account. Thank you. Hey everybody, it's Will from Old Fast Marine, your local boat shop. We're in the shop today. I have a welding class starting on Saturday, so I got to get things a little bit better organized, and it's coming along pretty good. It's my Bridgeport back here. Ain't she pretty? You guys don't care. I've lost you already, haven't you? Okay, so questions. I have two for you fine folks, the followers, and everybody else who takes a moment out of their day to watch a video. I am at a point right now, we're almost at 1,000 subscribers. So I need to decide whether I want to continue with this channel or dump this channel. So I am asking, again, you fine folks out there, what kind of videos do you want to see? Do you want to see exclusively boating videos? Do you want to see machining videos? Do you want to see welding videos? Do you want to see drone footage? I mean, what is it that you guys want to see? Please let me know in the comments below what kind of videos you want to see. What kind of content do you want me to create for you? Second question is the exact same thing, but for Patreon. What kind of exclusive content do you want to see on Patreon? Because there's nobody has signed up for Patreon yet, and that's fine. Again, I hate doing it, but I have to at this point. But what kind of, if you were going to, or what would make you want to throw a few bucks this way on Patreon? What is it that you want to see? What is it that you want to see to tune in every week to this channel? It's wintertime now, so we're going to be doing videos. But you got to give me ideas. You have to help me a little bit. And because I don't know any of you really in person. And so you get to kind of watch me and see what I do, but I have no clue who you people are, other than your screen names. And there's people from all over the world that have signed up. And thank you guys so much. It means a lot to me. So those are your questions. Please leave a comment down below and let me know what it is that you would like to see me do. Yeah. I hope it's the 23rd right now, Tuesday before Thanksgiving. I hope everybody's getting ready to meet with their families. I know I'm looking forward to it. Yeah, so happy Thanksgiving. Don't put your Christmas lights up before the day after Thanksgiving. We'll see you guys later. Happy Thanksgiving.